Hello, I'm Henri Pihkala, CEO at Streamer. I'd like to welcome you to transmission number 5. This week I'm in London to give a talk about Streamer's technical development. If you've been watching the updates on that talk on Twitter, you'll already know that I released some exciting news. Thanks to the brilliant dedication of our development and design teams, we've managed to halve the time we thought it would take to build the marketplace. Now we're happy to confirm that the marketplace will be functional by the end of Q2. But what does this mean for the Streamer community? Well, firstly, in a matter of months, we'll have participants on the marketplace. That means people buying and selling data. In the last few months, our partnerships team has been working hard to sign up key players, including data providers. Now their efforts are starting to show real results. I'll talk more about that at the end of the video, so hang in there. Releasing the marketplace also means that the companies and organizations trading information on our platform will use Datacoin to make those trades. When I said in transmission 3 that it will be a fully functional marketplace, not a prototype, I really meant it. When the marketplace launches within the next 3 months, we hope that hundreds and soon thousands of buyers and sellers of real-time information will be using Datacoin to make transactions. Ensuring full utility for Datacoin is something we discussed in our all-hands meeting back in January. We wanted to stand out from the hundreds of other projects out there whose tokens are speculative only and have no utility. There will be no clear demonstration of our tokens' full utility when the marketplace launches in under 15 weeks. And Streamer has an opportunity to really start disrupting the real-time data markets worth hundreds of billions. Okay. So while that's super exciting news, that's not all that's been happening in the past month. So let me give you a quick roundup before telling you what's been happening with the partnerships. Firstly, we've made multiple new hires within the past few weeks. I told you about the setup of Streamer Labs in transmission 4. That meant 6 new people for Streamer's technical development. But we've made hires on the BizDev front as well. They include Carl Rodriguez, Anders Eklund, and Ilmari Kontulainen. All of them bring different talents, contacts, and skills to the table, so I welcome them to the Streamer family. Secondly, we've started to roll out our new brand. Thank you. We told you a few months ago that we're working on this. Well, this week, our community in London got an exclusive look at the new logo. Our website, applications, and other assets will start to change over the next few weeks, and the new brand will be right at the heart of the marketplace user interface when it launches in the next quarter. So congrats to our Chief Design Officer Matt Innes for getting this over the line. We also repurposed our Rocket Chat to make it a place for technical and business development. We're going to be promoting the channel with some interesting giveaways, so be sure to sign up. Last week we migrated our blog to Medium. If I can ask a favor from our dedicated supporters, that would be to show us some love and get clapping on the blog posts you like most. Finally, let's talk about partnerships. A lot of people in our community have been asking about that, and I mentioned how busy our BizDev team has been. Well, happily, we can now announce that we have more than half a dozen in the bag. These include longer-term R&D partnerships with smaller crypto and open source projects, as well as intimate cooperation with multiple Fortune 500 companies. Starting this week and over the next 8 weeks, we're going to be revealing who those partners are. So stay tuned. And if you want to be the first to know what's going on, be sure to sign up to our many social media platforms. Bye.